Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to use Bosch washing machine or how to use the Bosch front load. I having trouble using the Bosch washing machine and the front load? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. First, open the front load and put in the clothes that you want to wash. Make sure to close the door tightly and firmly. Now open the detergent box. You will see three compartments. Most of the time the detergent is put on the left hand side, that is the one. Close the detergent box. Now you can see multiple modes. You can select the modes depending on the clothes you put in. Mix load is the most commonly used mode. Now you will see a timer which indicates 45 minutes. Press start. You can see an icon which pops up that indicates that the door is now locked and you will not be able to open it until you finish it. You can see the water pouring in and the machine will start to work.